Craving classic comfort? Let's make Salisbury steak. This recipe is pure gravy smothered perfection. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So here's our Salisbury steak with our mashed potatoes that we made on the side. And our resident taste testers here, Gio. And I don't know if he's ever had Salisbury steak, but if he hasn't, he's definitely going to let us know for something that's new, how it tastes. And if he's had, then he's also probably going to do some comparison.
Well, I've never actually had it before, so this will be my first time, so hopefully I enjoy it. So overall, it tastes real good with the combination together. I thought it would taste more like meatloaf, but it actually has like its own unique flavor and sauce.
This is definitely a win for me. It's soft and tender because I added the onions with some breadcrumbs together.
Very easy to chew, easy down.
This is definitely a win-win dinner. Let's get cooking. And I actually like to have my Salisbury steak a little bit more moist and tender. So what I usually do is dice up some onions and I mix it with a little bit of breadcrumbs, like here. Or you could actually grate your onions, however you want to do it, because onion has water in it, so that'll help retain the moistness. I'm going to season my meat for my Salisbury steak with just some Montreal steak seasoning here. And I'm going to add some W13 sauce and our wonderful onion powder and our garlic powder. And I also had some fresh garlic that I minced up and some onions that I sliced and some mushrooms that I sliced. Because your Salisbury steak needs to have some mushroom. And this is some better than bouillon beef. Okay, and so I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna mix this all up. We're going to form our Salisbury steak in oval shape. Now I'm gonna add our breadcrumb that had the onions in it. And so let's start to form our patties. Our Salisbury patties. So they're usually oval shaped. Now remember, ground beef always shrinks when you cook it. So you want to make sure it has a little thickness to it. And they're not round, they're more like an oval shape. We're going to sear that. I'm just trying to give my patty some thickness and shape. And here are a list of ingredients. We are cooking our Salisbury steak and allowing it to get color. And so we have our meat for our Salisbury steak, all done here resting. So we're taking out our last piece here. So it looks like big fat oval burgers. Put this right here. Okay. I have my butter in my pan, and I'm going to add my mushrooms, onions that I sliced up, and I'm just going to allow these to saute. So I have my mushrooms in here with a little bit of olive oil and butter, and now I'm adding my garlic. Just let our vegetables saute first. I'm going to add a little bit of better than bouillon beef flavor on our vegetables. Add 3 tablespoons of flour to help thicken our Salisbury sauce. Here's our vitamin content. Adding more flour. We're gonna let our flour cook with our veggies. So that could be our thickener. Let's get our beef broth here. Our wine, and we're going to add the last bit of our little bit of heavy cream. We're going to put our Salisbury steak in the gravy we just made. And we'll allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's put our Salisbury steak back in. So here's our Salisbury steak with our mashed potatoes that we made on the side. And our resident taste testers here, Gio.
Well, I never actually had it before, so this will be my first time, so hopefully I enjoy it. So overall, it tastes real good with the combinations together. I thought it would taste more like meatloaf, but it actually has like its own unique flavor, so I really like that about it.
So, you know, everyone thinks it's probably more like, oh, a hamburger, but it's easy at the same time, not so easy to make. As you know, you want to, it's because of the shape. It takes time to form the shape into like an oval shape or closest to oval. Other than that, you know, it's like almost seasoning a hamburger, or maybe like Gia was saying, like a meatloaf, except that you're not putting it in the oven, you're kind of babysitting it on the stove. So let me try it. This is definitely a win for me because anything that has mushrooms in it, invite me in. I love mushrooms. I didn't when I was younger, but after being in culinary school, when they kind of force it on you, I've really grown to like it. It's soft and tender because I added the onions with some breadcrumbs together. This is definitely a win-win dinner. Listen, give this a try. Let us know how it turned out for you. We'd love to hear from you. And we will see you in our next video. And remember, take good care of yourself.